I got some of this here, some garlic and pepper seasoning. Got the old typical seasonings that I got in my cabinet. Got some black pepper, dash. Let me just dash onion and herb seasoning. Some olive oil. Get it all together. I'm gonna let these bake in the oven for at least around about a good 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes and that's it, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I let these roast in the oven for about 10 minutes, and it smells terrific. It smells good. Mozzarella cheese. Then I want to take some of this here pepper jack cheese, some of this here garlic, onion, spice blend. Y'all know what I'm about to tell y'all. Got it from Ross the Boss, and just sprinkle it right on top. All right, so this is what we got. This is our asparagus with cheese.